Hi everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today, for today's craft, we are going to make a paper turkey. So I have part of a paper bag, so I'm going to use that as the brown body part of the turkey. And then I have just a bunch of other scrap paper, glue stick, scissors, a pencil, something to trace a circle, and I need to be able to trace 2 circles, so I'm actually going to trace the bottom of this for the smaller circle. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to trace the large circle first. Okay, and then we're going to trace the small circle. Let's see, did I get it? Yeah. So 2 circles. This is going to be the head. This is going to be the body. Okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and cut them out. This is a great way to use up the oodles of brown paper bags that we seem to have accumulated during this pandemic. So there's one, and here we go for the second one. The bottom, all these other fancy colors, I'm going to make feathers out of. So let's do this. This is perfect timing. Lots of kids are already done with school for the week, or they're off, and so they have a little bit of time. Okay, so I'm also going to do just a little, I'm going to go like this and see how that's like swoopy. So I use the circle, and this is going to be the neck of the turkey. So I'm just going to get rid of that. So this is going to be the neck of the turkey, and it really doesn't have to be that long, or it can be really long, because turkey necks sometimes can be long, or are pretty long. They kind of look like velociraptors when they're running. Okay, so 2 things. So that's going to go like that. I'm going to go like that. And I'm going to go like that. Okay, so that is going to be the basic body of my turkey. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that. So there's the first part, and there is the second part. Okay, whoops, I didn't get enough glue. Okay. All right, so there is my turkey body. Head, neck, body. Okay, so I'm just going to put that off to the side for now, along with my glue stick. Now, I am going to start making some feathers. And I'm going to go ahead and make one on kind of cardstock so that I can then use it as a tracer. So what you can do is you can do super simple, like that, okay, something like that. You could do super simple turkey, and we were making male turkeys that have a big fan, or you can cut out some things that will make it look more feathery. So let's see, like this. Okay, so I could do it just totally simple, or I can cut those out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out, and then I can use this as a tracer. And I can make all of them the same, because I can cut a bunch at the same time. Okay, so I went ahead cut my plain one, so I can leave it just like that. I could leave it just like that and just cut those out, really super simple. Or I can cut out the pieces. So, and triangles are pretty easy to cut out because you just have to come at it and match up. So kids have an easier time cutting triangles because they don't have curves that have to go around, you know, like a corner or whatever. So it makes them easier to do. Like that. Go like that. Okay, so like the feather. Okay, so feathery looking cool thing. And you could do each feather different like this, or you can do them the same. That is totally up to you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put a bunch of colors together so that I have a bunch of different ones. Let's see, let's use dark orange. Let's use this cool orange. Like that. So I've got a couple different shades of orange. I want a red down here. Like that. Let's see, what other color? Oh, I'm going to use that one too. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, put those all together like that. I'm going to move this, and I may decide I want to use some of those other colors, and I can. Okay, so there's my feather, my turkey body right there. Okay, so I want to do it basically same like this first, and then I can cut them all at different spots. So I can go like this, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, so I'm going to cut a few in that shape. Remember, I'm going to cut the outside first. I'm going to go like that. So I'm going to go ahead, cut around the outside on all of these like that. And then I'm going to take half of them and cut them. And that way I'm getting all of the feathers the same. Okay, so now I have all these great feathers in different colors to be able to use. And I'm going to take the first three like that, and I'm going to cut these like this. And remember, triangles are easy to cut because kids just have to do two lines that intersect for it to be able to cut out, which is super easy because they don't have to go around a corner. They don't have to, come at it from a different direction. They just snip in a couple lines, which makes it much easier for them to cut no matter what age they are. If they're you know, 3 or 4 or older. Older kids can get much more elaborate. Okay, so there is some other feathers. These are going to look really pretty. And with these, so I have 3 left. Okay, so these, I'm not even going to draw. I am just going to start cutting some pieces like this. Flip it over. Let's see, I'm going to do a little skinny one like that, a couple other little skinny ones. And it's starting to look more feathery because we have these little sections, because feathers often do this. They often will kind of clump together. The little pieces of the feather will clump together like that. Ooh, pretty. I like that. I think I like that one better. That side better. And I may decide not to use the green. I may decide to use just those colors. I like those better. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and dump these. Okay, I'm going to do a triangle for his beak, like this. There is triangle. And let's see, a wattle. Okay, a wattle is kind of like this. I'm just going to go like a little thing here, a little wattle for the male turkey. That's what that red kind of funny looking thing that's on his nose is called. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that down like that. I'm going to put the wattle like that right across the top, just like that. And with a marker, I'm going to put, all right, so I'm going to go like this. Make kind of a silly turkey. There we go. Love it. Oh, he's cute. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the turkey feathers on. And what I'm going to do is, see, I want to have the turkey feathers kind of like this. I'm going to spread them out like that. And we're going to do this. We're going to put the turkey right there like that. Okay. And there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to glue that on. I'm going to put the turkey body back to like that. And I'm going to put these on here like this. That one barely got there. So put a little bit more. Oops. And put those right there like that. And there you have it. There is a turkey. And you can put some turkey legs on your bottom. Cut 2 turkey legs. It's folded in half. And there are my turkey legs. And I'm going to put the turkey legs right on the back. Right there. And just like that. 1 and 2 And there is my turkey. Happy Thanksgiving.